Good morning, guys. I'm currently in line waiting to get air in my tires. I think someone's leaving now, so I'm gonna go. The steamer. Okay, guys, so I'm back home after all my errands have been done. And now we're gonna start the $100,000 puzzle. Okay, so it took like 2 hours just to get the border done. And we're still missing like one, maybe two pieces here. But we're watching Maze Runner Scorch Trials. And now we're gonna dig through these to see if the middle piece, that edge piece is in here somewhere. Unlimited. Nick, we really need to organize it again.
I saw something.
Thor Ragnarok.
No. Winter Soldier.
No, you're being annoying. You're being annoying.
How am I being annoying?
You haven't put a single puzzle piece in.
I'm trying.
I got one puzzle piece in.
You only put one down.
We're taking a break from the puzzle because I was getting a headache and Nick is getting kind of overwhelmed. So we're just gonna pause to eat, chill out, watch a movie, take a break, and then we'll be back on the puzzle flow after. Okay, so for the salmon, I used asparagus, extra virgin olive oil, lemon slices, lemon pepper seasoning, salt or sea salt, and this 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what's in it in case you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, and you could just like make your own. So basically the 21 seasoning salute is onion, black pepper, celery seed, cayenne pepper, parsley, basil, I don't know what majoram is, bay leaf, oregano, thyme, I don't know what savory is, rosemary, cumin, mustard, coriander, garlic, carrot, orange peel, tomato granules, lemon juice powder, oil of lemon, and citric acid, which it's really good. I tried it before I put on the fish to see if it would like mesh well, and it smelled really good and it tasted really good, so I added it on to my salmon. And oh my god, it's so good.
You've done none of the border. I've done this whole thing by myself.
Excuse me?
If I'm like clearing my throat a lot and my lips look red and juicy-licious, it's because my allergy medicine did not work.
He's not really a bad person? But after
Other than that, no, he was a soldier. No.
Guys, look. Oh, God, I did it.
They were best friends.
Okay, so I'm going outside to go shovel because we had a blizzard and we want to clear some of it out. This is my fit. I'm obviously wearing a mask, a puffer jacket from Old Navy that's kept me warm. I have my snow gloves that I use for snowboarding primarily. I doubled up on leggings because I don't have like any waterproof. I don't have any waterproof pants, so I doubled up on leggings. And I'm wearing some rubber sole shoes to not slip anywhere. So I don't know if anything is in view here, but this is what's happening. I just got out here and it's already really cold. So, like my feet are cold. Oh! It's like powder, look, ready? Powder. So now I'm shoveling the roof, and my mom's getting some footage of me. She's getting me some hot water to drink, and there's my brother watching me because he's sick and he can't come out. And there are Kea and Paul shoveling the cars, and I'm shoveling the roof because I have no kids and nothing to lose. So that's why I'm shoveling the roof. It collapses.
if it collapses, I would like everyone to have my journal split. My stock can go to Vincent.
Imagine I had makeup on and it went on the snow.
I know, right? Like literally did it again. Right? My nose is so bulbing. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Oh my god, I'm ugly. Okay, well, we're done. We're done doing the roof. My hair is crystallized. I'm gonna need a hot shower to make sure my limbs don't fall off. We have like one neighbor outside with us right now. It's like, I think it's like 10, 11 something. It's 11, holy crap. We came out here like 8. So we're gonna head in, get warm, and I will see you guys then. Bye!
2 days after the snowstorm, this is the first day in like 2 days we haven't had to shovel. No, this is mine still. So my mom treated us to sushi for like shoveling the roof and everything and endangering our lives. And
So precious.
yeah, on the way out, I noticed in the bowl they had these Chupa Chup lollipops. And these are the most nostalgic candy I can think of in regards to my childhood, because I almost never see these around. And please let me know if you guys have like eaten these before, or remember eating them, or vaguely remember and I just unlocked a memory for you, because every time I think of these, it unlocks a memory. So these are hella good. I think these are like the ice cream flavored ones, but this one is like the vanilla chocolate swirly one. And I'm gonna let Vincent try it for the first time today. Right, Vincent?
Yeah.
Yeah. You wanna try one?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what the Chupa Chup looks like. It looks nothing like I remember it. I remember the vanilla part looking way more vanilla-y instead of like condensed milky. How is it?
Yeah.
What does it taste
Is
like?
it good?
Yeah.
What does it taste
Yummy?
Yeah.
Like chocolate?
Yeah.
Like vanilla?
Hop.
I gave Vincent the first bite, so I'm gonna try it now. Oh my god.
Pop. Pop.
This tastes exactly how I remember it to taste.
Pop.
Like exactly. Okay, well, like I said, today's been a really uneventful Sunday. We just mostly worked on the puzzle, ate. It's snowing, so we'll have snow day tomorrow. Yeah, like I said, really uneventful. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!